Hi guys, welcome back Petrolheads. I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, so today it will be a cleaning episode because there are no issues with the car, surprisingly.
Lies, 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 and everywhere is lies.
I've been doing some shopping. I bought the drill, it's cordless, so it's nice because you can move it around. Most importantly, I have bought a new vacuum, but this is not a simple vacuum. You have seen a picture of it already. This vacuum can vacuum, but it can also wet clean the carpets, right? So it can extract the dirt from the carpet. So we will definitely do it on, I think, every car which we have. I also bought, as you can see here probably, this is the heater. So now as it's winter and it's quite cold, it's nice to have it. But today, what we will do is we will focus on these wheels. Those are summer wheels. Now the car is on ugly winter wheels. When you look at them, you can see there's quite a lot of dirt accumulated in here, and it's a very, very stubborn dirt. As you can see, I was trying to clean it with normal cleaning detergents, but they didn't manage to clean it. As you can see, I think this is the best result of what I tried to do, but still there's quite a lot of dirt remaining, and I really don't like it, and this one is, I think, by far the worst. So I have seen some trick on the internet that you can do to clean even a very stubborn dirt like this. Today we'll try to do it with a very simple thing. Yeah, so what we will need to clean those wheels are those three things. We will need also warm water. But yeah, this on the right hand side is lemon acid, and on the left we have acetic acid. This one, acetic acid, is 20%. So basically what we will do is we will mix them both together into the warm hot water. Apparently it should help with these filthy wheels. Let's try that. So we have warm water in here. I will do the mixture in a second. I'm doing just a little bit to basically see how it reacts and what kind of proportion to use, because the guy who published the video didn't say anything about the proportions, so I am just eyeballing it. Classical, right? Now let's get the acetic acid in. Oh, it stinks so much. And I have two varieties of brushes. It's a normal brush, and this one is a copper one, so for the stains which are a little bit more tough. Yeah, it definitely cleaned a lot of it. As you can see, the difference between here and here is quite huge. Of course, the wheels are already a little bit pitted and damaged, right? So probably some of the dirt got embedded into them. So I don't think we'll be able to remove everything. Go outside and just give it a very good rinse with water from the hose. Okay, so now we'll use brush, let's say it's just a normal brush, to remove the excess glue residue that was left after putting the wheel balancing. Okay guys, so those are the final results. I think it's much better. It's not perfect. They have quite a lot of pitting, quite a lot of damage. Probably the only solution would be to just paint them all over again, right? But yeah, as I've said, this video was to show you that you can actually clean the wheels quite well just using some basic acids like lemon acid and acetic acid and hot water, and this is the result that you get. Of course, you have to spend quite a lot of time on it. Okay guys, yeah, so that's lovely. That's a nice way to spend the weekend. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you on the next one. Bye guys.